What's up, Crypto Crew, and welcome back. Or if this is your first time, I'm Captain Crypto Might, actively escaping the matrix, scoping out the crypto oceans. If you like your odds, get on the boat, stay up to date, thumbs up, and join the hunt.
Into the boat!
Crypto Crew, today we'll take a look at a project that is being developed within the Kaspa ecosystem as we speak, Casha. I did a vid on Casha not too long ago, so you can check that out if you haven't already. Big up Ankit and the XXIM podcast as he had a chat with IzioDef speaking about what Casha is about. Stay tuned, Crypto Crew.
Thank you very much, everybody.
Prove all things, hold fast that which is good. Before we continue, Crypto Crew, always remember to protect your crypto investments. Self-custody is key, especially during this 2025 bull run. And in my personal opinion, the Tangent Wallet is your best option. Plug and play, easy to use, and the most affordable cold storage out there. So if you wish to order your Tangent Wallet today, you can get 10% off using code Crypto Crew. Check out the link in the description box below. Thanks so much for your consideration and support in advance, and may the Lord Jesus Christ bless you all.
We like to see it as a sovereign messaging platform. It's an open source project that inherits Kaspa properties, which are secure, decentralized, and blazingly fast, like internet speed. On top of it, we added a layer of encryption. So that's how we define it. We like to see it as by the community, for the community. And just to mention that Casha is both an application and a protocol. Currently, the both are inside the same code base, but ideally, in the future, we will split them. So you will have the protocol that has its own SDK.
Right.
Everyone could use it.
Yeah.
And you will have a Casha. So every communication ideally will be interoperable across several applications, and you can imagine a bunch of use cases. I've started to be interested in crypto very lately, actually, like 2 years ago, I think. I researched Bitcoin, obviously, and some other blockchains. And eventually on Reddit, I started to see Kaspa. So someone mentioned Kaspa and make huge claims.
Yeah.
So I started to deep dive into researching this. I was still suspicious because I didn't understand the white paper at first. So I decided to just try it and build some stuff on top of it. And it was magic. It was pure magic. I love it. I joined the community. On Discord mainly, started to discuss with different people, awesome people, by the way.
Right, yeah.
And I then spent a lot of time in understanding Kaspa, how it works, different components of it, and eventually I started to contribute to Kaspa too. Very small scale. I'm humble about it, but I hope this will grow in the future too. I love Kaspa.
Yeah, no, I think it's amazing. And what have you contributed so far to Rusty Kaspa?
The main contribution I have added is pretty specific, but currently, if you want to observe the network, you will have to wait some confirmation before you can start admit some transaction. Currently, there's no way of built-in method to wait, and I've added this feature so you can specify minimum confirmation count you want.
I see.
Like 10, 15.
Yeah.
And then you will, it helps exchanges to observe the network and indexers. Augusty started this project. I saw this, I joined in, and eventually I started to add the encryption on top of it because it was all clear text before.
Oh.
And a bunch of people, it started as it, yeah.
Pure text, right, I see.
And 3 or 4 other people contributed. Yura from Casway, As the World Caves In, who created a chess.
That's amazing. That's amazing. And I saw Coin Athlete also did the messaging book.
Yeah. Pretty good. I love it. Like you want to do something, you just do it. You propagate it, and the community embrace it.
Yeah, no, I thought it was beautiful. Like that how many people came together to contribute, and and people are loving the app. Kasha, we'll figure out the name, but I think in terms of using it seems to be going gangbusters, and people are loving it, which is amazing. To see something built by the community for the community.
We started to research encryption mechanism. The state of the art on this is Signal, like all the white papers are readable by anyone. Then we had to adapt to Kaspa. We said that it's for the community by the community, no revenue, no protocol fees. We wanted to build sovereign communication platform. Last technical difference on SoulChat is that the sender and the receiver bounds are visible. So if you chat with me, one can say, okay, they can know how often we talk to each other.
You guys are not trying to build it to be a token. You don't want it to have a revenue stream off the back of it. The money is just going straight to the miners, the tiny fee that you charge, right? There is no fee that's involved that you guys are going to be taking.
We've built a governance document. We are still building it. It's a draft, and we all agreed on the values that are Kaspa values. If someone wants to make such a great change, we have to go through a vote and get a super majority to adopt it. So you will have to corrupt each one of us to create a token. That's what I'm saying.
I see. So it's a Discord voting system you came up with, and you sort of split it evenly between the core devs.
Exactly. And eventually, I hope we can move from Discord to Casha in the future. Yeah,
I see. I see. So why don't we go into technology? How does it work from someone sending a message all the way to settling on the layer one?
So first of all, we have to know about each other. I will emit an handshake to you. So this will be a transaction on the layer one. All the data from this handshake will be contained in the payload of this transaction, fully encrypted, with your public key, which is your Kaspa address. So only you can decrypt the content of it. And you will receive this handshake. You will know it will be from me. You will know my alias and unique nickname for just for both of us. So I will create a unique alias for you. You will receive that and you will say, okay, I accept it. So you will or not. And you will emit an handshake to me that will conclude the communication. So currently we have two transactions on the DAG, mine and yours.
Right.
And now we know about each other. So no one can know I'm talking to you. No one can know you're talking to me from this moment. Each consecutive message will still be a transaction on the layer one. And you will read this transaction because you know my alias, so you know it's from me.
When you say no one knows you're talking to me and I'm talking to you, but on Soul Chat you said people know who's talking to whom. What are the differences? Like how on Solana people can see who's talking to whom, but not on Kaspa?
On the execution program, you have the metadata, and if you inspect this execution, you will see the metadata contains your address. So I will be able to know to whom you're speaking with.
Oh, I see. On Solana, you should be like by looking at the metadata, you would be able to see the recipient of the messages, right? On Kaspa, it's not happening.
You will be able to see if we handshake. You will be able to guess that we handshaked each other.
Right.
That's one point. Yeah. We can eliminate that thing in the future, by the way. So currently, yes, you can tell that we handshaked, but once this is done, you cannot tell to whom I'm speaking with.
I see.
Like you cannot know how often I'm speaking to you.
I see. Why is that? Is it not coming into the metadata?
It's because I created an alias from me to you. You created an alias for me.
I see.
Yeah. And then we know each other, but no one else know what this alias is.
Right. And this alias is tied to the wallet address?
You generate it randomly.
Okay. So it's not connected to public key?
No.
Okay. Right. So it's completely random. I can create my alias, so I can call myself computer. IzyoDev accepted me. We handshake. Now from there on, no one knows on the metadata side that I'm computer, you're IzyoDev. That gets stripped off.
When you will share your alias with me,
Yeah.
it will be completely encrypted. So only me can know what your alias is. Yeah.
Right.
Crypto Crew Kaspa is building an ecosystem that provides solutions to some of the world's biggest issues and challenges meeting people's demands. What Kaspa needs is time and adoption, and a project such as Casha does this through private and decentralized communication. No centralized servers, no KYC, no big tech snooping. Shout out to IzyoDev and the Casha team. Shout out to Ankit and the XXIM podcast. I'll do a follow-up on this talk where IzyoDev demos Casha and the brilliant way it adopts Kaspa's tech whilst bringing adoption directly onto the Kaspa network. Look out for that, Crypto Crew.
Satoshi, it's time to pull the greatest prank of the century.
Prove all things, hold fast that which is good.
Stick around.
Fix your mind before you get to the grind. And with that said, let's continue to escape the matrix. Let's continue to be on the lookout for the next big thing on the crypto ocean. Grow in grace, and let's make some crypto waves. Say I.